because there's another company out there who wants to offer him more. And so he left with a very, very handsome severance pay or whatever. He transferred to a different company, and then a few years later, McDonald's discovered he did not just have one affair, but he had multiple affairs with employees in the same company. So McDonald's files a case against him to take back the money that they paid him. My dear friends, I share this story to all of you. Why? Because credentials are not as important as your credibility. Titles, not as important as trust. Positions, not as important as integrity and respect. Are you with me, everybody? Yeah. At the end of the day, if we're going to be servant leaders, we have to be men and women of integrity, not through intensity, but through consistency. And when we say consistency, we got to achieve certain accolades or certain titles.
With the Rotarian lady, Miss Dina. Hi, Miss Dina. Pamati ilan ang imo nga makana convention nga message sa Cebu, no? Abi ko sinong ga side view si Onyot gali. Abaw nami isang ila po way ba mayong hapon. Sige lang da ni way pa manalaw na. Sige lang da ho way wala lang dugay. Wow katahom dagin lock mo to John po way lang da John. Paway lang, John. Sige lang, John. May 15 minutos pa. Hindi. Dali. Gusto kita noon ang inyo gwapong construction. Harita di sa this is the sanctuary of New Life Cornerstone Christian Family Worship Ministry. This is the sanctuary of the New Life Cornerstone Christian Family Worship Ministry. This is a Christian church here at St. Gabriel Subdivision, Barangay Balingasag, Bago City. Tiarada ang gwapo naton nga abyan. Si Mendel is only 20 years old, kabay pa. He will grow up to be successful sa iya career. Kag si Rodi Roland Tito yana. Si Mendel hinablos. Si Roland Tito Kasyano. Ara na dayong ila obra tanwa bala. Tanwa lang ilang obra arina o. Nan, kita mo. Daw mapobra naman kami masunod sini mo. Daw maputang ta sa langalang sa dala, no? Ha?
Tuba sila masiminto sila kag may balas patadahaw.
Balas la kung ginakagis nila ning sasagwa.
Ginakagis nyo kanong sasagwa?
Simin.
Hindi ko luda minyo. Oh, nakagis oh.
Tatlo ni day. Tatlo ni ka layers ang magwa. So ari ang first layer of hollow blocks. This is the first layer of hollow blocks. Then there will be second, third, fourth, 4 layers of hollow blocks on top of the concrete foundation. This is a perimeter fence on a perimeter length of 36.82 meters. The total length of this part of the side of this land is 36.82 meters. Now we are at the back of the church building. This is now Purok Ilang-Ilang, Barangay Poblacion, Bago City. This is 500 square meters land, and some of the church members would like to buy portions of the land, and as well as the church itself wants to buy 100 square meters also. So 5 sila ka grupo, each of them 100 square meters land nga gusto nila. Thank God nga gasaka na ang ila obra. Thanks be to God for guiding these men, the 3 men, Marlon, si Medel, kag si Onyot.